Yo guys, just a quick update. We got the new RAMs up. So let's turn everything here off and install that right here. As you can see, there's already 2 slots. We got the RAM, which is 16 gigs only. And it's always at 8 gigs used. And we're gonna have some more now. As you can see by my keyboard, which is displaying me. We're gonna get that up for sure. Let's place it. Okay, as you can see, we got half of the process done. We opened up the glass panel, and as you can see, I've done some cable management right before this video, and I mean not right before, a little before, just maybe right after the last video I did. And yeah, basically I just put some screws in the wall and some elastics around the shit cables, so that's not really good, but it's cleaner than it was. So well. And there you go, we've got the RAM upgrade, so we got 32 gigs now. And maybe I'll clean a little bit of the glass pane, maybe, and some of the shit pile of dust there is on this computer, I'll clean it with some tissues and so yeah. Yep, gonna add up some lights. Let's see what it looks like on software. Okay, so I put the glass back, I've cleaned it a little, so you can see the cable management is still up, so let's turn everything on. Well, this is way more clean. So let's go. Okay, time to see. There you go, it works really well. So just super easy, you just plug in, and there you go. And yeah, I could have cleaned my computer then. So that's a little plus. And now I got 32 gigs of RAM. So yeah, we're really good now. So there you go. I'm guessing everything is done. I actually have the 32 gigs of RAM. So yeah, that's memory. My keyboard displays it. And heck yeah. We're good now. Plus cable management, well, might need an update. Because it's still disgusting looking, but